Hi, Andre Kasperger, your Internet connector here. In this video, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of Google Hangouts. It's a pretty neat tool, and I'm going to be using the screen share, which is available as a standard thing with Hangouts, and my slides, in fact, are I did them with Google Slides and has some cool features there. So I'm going to go to screen share and select my what I want to share. Plus, I'm going to include a neat capability, the speaker notes, which allows me to look one screen ahead when I'm doing a presentation. Anyhow, Google Hangouts, the what, the why, and a bit of how. What what is a Google Hangout? Well, in my words, it's basically your own private uh, webinar or webcast and video broadcast channel, which is kind of neat. And it is part of the Google Plus tool set if you're running it from your desktop or your laptop. Some of the capabilities. There are two versions of Hangout. It has the video Hangout where you can have up to 10 participants in a private Hangout, and there's Hangout on Air where you can have the 10 plus a unlimited number can join, and the Hangout is automatically recorded and uploaded to your YouTube channel, where later you can go in and edit it. You can put notations on it, and also it's available for replay. Hangouts are mobile friendly. If you have a Droid, you download the Hangout app from the Play Store. If you have a Apple, you download it from their app store. There's no need to download Google Plus on either one of them. Now, the much the same as Skype. The reach of a Hangout is only limited by the reach of the internet and the speed, and the speed of the internet at your end does make a difference. If you are going to be hosting Hangouts, I would recommend that your internet hookup is high speed, as it will make a difference in the quality of the video. Now, one of the features within Google Plus is that you can create communities, and with Hangouts, at the click of one button, you can connect with your community. So it's it's an excellent way of staying in touch with the people that you need to stay in touch with. Now, how do you join and initiate a Hangout? If you are on your laptop or your desktop, this is basically what your Google Plus page would look like. On the right-hand side is how you would start a video Hangout. On the left, you see the home button. It has a drop-down menu about halfway down. It has the option for Hangout, and you initiate the sequence there. You can also start a Hangout from your tablet, whether it's an iPad or it's a Droid. I'm not sure whether it's certified for the other ones yet, but all you need to do is have the Hangout app downloaded on it. From your mobile phone, you can join a Hangout and hold the video call. I think you can do the same thing with Skype. Here's a neat feature of Hangouts through the Embed Code, and which is made available with Hangout on Air. You can use that Embed Code and put it on a page on your site, and people can view the entire Hangout from that page on your site, which is kind of slick because it keeps your viewers on your site. Plus, then if you have something to show them, uh, you can do that. And I think that from a marketing standpoint, that's a pretty powerful capability. Now, some application examples. It can be used in a number of ways. If you are on the artistic side, writer or painter or poet even, why not have hold a hangout with your following? If you have a business, you can absolutely stay in touch with the business group. You form a mastermind. You can hold online seminars, workshops, product demos. So in other words, it just has a myriad of things, and in many instances, it can save you a ton of money in in travel, as an example. How do you get started? You configure Google Plus and just build a basic profile. Fill in the details later. Just start a Hangout and do it with friends or somebody you can easily work with. And the recommendation is just get comfortable with it. After that, I would recommend then and only then graduate to Hangout on Air. It is not hard. It has a couple more functions, and I would recommend the same. Just get comfortable with it and just use it. Now, here's a neat part of Hangouts, the integration of third-party apps. What's happening is that there are several vendors out there now that integrate what they have with Hangouts. As an example, there's a product out there that rivals GoToWebinars with webinars at a fraction of the cost. There's another vendor out there that has creates a very easy to use sales funnel that works entirely on Facebook. So if that's where your business is, it would be a great tool. There's another one that allows the same thing on your WordPress site. So, and I can see much more of that coming in the future. Now, I'm basically at the end of the presentation. If you would like further information, here's a link, http://goo.gl/y, capital L, capital B, PSF. And also, if you are on a mailing list, look out for further events on Hangout, because we're going to be doing a lot of this. And anyways, I just want to thank you for being on, and let me get out of screen share, just show you how this thing works. Thank you, and have a fantastic day, and we'll see you around.